Hi again, today I am going to show you another unwrapping method in Blender, cylinder projection. Add a cylinder, increase the number of segments. Go to Material Properties. Create new material. Click Base Color. Select Image Texture. Click Open and select the texture. Go to Edit Mode by pressing Tab. Select All by pressing A. Go to UV and choose Cylinder Projection. Go to UV Editor. Scale the image. Click Assign in Material Properties. Exit Edit Mode.
If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Bye.